Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you've probably read from the title, I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair. I have been getting so many questions about this recently, so I thought I would put it all in one video. So if you ever want to know how I curl my hair, then you can just refer to this video here. So if I know that I'm going to curl my hair, I try and wash it the day before because I don't like it being too clean when I curl it. I'm also going to show you all of the products that I'm using in my hair at the moment. So I wash my hair with a nourishing shampoo and conditioner by DNA Organic, so these two products here. Then I also applied a mask last night, which is why my hair is so nice and soft. So I use the Primrose Rico mask. Then once I've come out the shower, I pat my hair dry with a towel and I apply the Heat Shield Protector Mist in it if I know that I'm going to be drying and straightening my hair. Then I dry and straighten my hair, and then I don't touch it until the following day. Then once I'm ready to curl my hair, I grab my hairspray and spray it all over. So I'm going to show you how I do one side in real time just so you can see and follow along properly, as the other side's just going to be exactly the same but on the other side. Okay, so I grab my hairspray and I just spray my hair. And with my hair, I just part it down the middle so I have both sides fully coming to the front. And then I just section my hair off and curl it bit by bit. So I only grab small bits like this and then grab it. The curler pretty much does all of the work. So I just let it suck my hair in and then I wait for the beeps. Once it beeps, I release it and you can see that is my curl. And I think because I hairspray it as well, it does help the curls hold that little bit longer. Release. And keep going. See, this is probably a little bit too big. I might do it a little bit smaller. I've had a lot of people ask me how I curl my hair, and when I told them about this hair curler, they have gone out to buy it, and I've had a lot of people actually say that they've had troubles with this hair and that it sucked their hair up, but I've never had any problems with it. I should probably say touch wood. Touch wood, I haven't had any problems with it yet. So all you do is you're just grabbing a piece of hair, separating it. I think it's important to make sure that you pull away all these little bits so that they don't get caught and that you're only sucking up the hair that you've got grabbed here, and then you just pinch it together and then it sucks it up on its own, and then you just wait for the beeps. See here, I can see like I've grabbed one bit, but I can see two different strands of hair, so I'm just going to take one of them. And I mean, I don't even know if I can take credit for this. I feel like the curler is kind of doing all of the hard work for me. I'm just separating my hair and waiting. One thing I didn't used to do as well was brush my curls out. I used to think that if I brushed them out, then my hair would just go flat and I would lose all my curls, but it actually made my hair look a lot thinner when I wasn't brushing it out. As soon as I started brushing my curls out, I noticed that my hair looked a lot thicker as well. Then I usually try and find these bits at the bottom, separate. And it looks a bit funny now because the curls are all really tight, but it'll get there once you brush them out. When my hair started to grow as well, there was a period where I gave up on curling my hair and I would just wear it straight, because every time I curled it, my curls would drop out. And I noticed that once I started hairspraying my hair before curling it and then doing the curls tight and brushing them out, that's when my curls started staying all day. And in fact, it's not even just all day, even the following day, you find that you still have a bit of a wave and it looks a little bit more effortless as well. I'm also just using my reflection here to see, so it's a little bit harder. It's usually a bit easier when I have a mirror in front of me. Let's see, do I see anything? And then I kind of just like tilt my head to the side and just look for any straight bits. So I can see one here. Okay, so once one side is done, I go back in with my hairspray and spray it. Okay, so that's one side done. I'm quickly going to do the other side off camera and then come back to you. Okay, so that's both sides done. So the next thing I do is brush it out. Then once I've brushed my hair out, and don't worry if it's still a little bit tight because it will drop out, I go in with my Spray Shine Argan Oil and I just spray it in my hair. And then once again, just brush it out with your hands. So this is how I curl my hair, and my hair is still a little bit tight, so that will drop out throughout the day as well. As always, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. And if you wanted to try any of the DNA Organics products that I use, I'm going to link them all down below for you, and also pop a discount code up on screen and down below. So if you wanted to try any of the products, just apply AZzy15 at checkout to receive 15% off your order. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.